Hey babes, welcome back. On today's show, I have so much crypto news for you. It is hard for me to summarize it in under 60 seconds. But make sure you stick around because I have decided to ape into a bunch of complete and utter shitcoins. And I want to go ahead and share some of those plays with you. Again, take this information as you want it. It is not financial advice. This is what I am doing. These are extremely, extremely risky, and I probably will get wrecked. Stick around. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Happy Taco Tuesday. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. Let's get into it. This next story is about Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Yes, I know it is getting really annoying and boring, but I did need to cover and speak on this because I was giving Elon a very, very hard time about shilling Dogecoin and then turning around and having Tesla accept Bitcoin as payment. I thought it was really cringe, really disrespectful, and just kind of scammy to me. But I do think Elon might have redeemed himself in a way. So, as we know, we covered yesterday and we spoke about Elon Musk allowing people to pay in Dogecoin to go to space. But now he put out a tweet stating that if people wanted to go ahead and pay with Dogecoin to buy a Tesla. So I think it is pretty cool. So he went ahead and put out a poll to ask the people, and I appreciate that he did that. And it looks like it got over 500,000 votes within 20 minutes of its posting, and an overwhelming majority of 75% replied yes. So do you guys think that Elon Musk should allow Tesla to accept Dogecoin, considering that the community has asked for it? And would you pay for anything with your Dogecoin? Comment in the comments. This next segment is sponsored by Dexkit, and you will see me talk about them on the channel here and there because they are not only a friend of the channel, but also a sponsor at times. So I'm excited to talk to you about some of the Dexkit updates because the team has been working very, very hard, and they're going to be solving a pretty cool thing in crypto. Well, something that kind of sucks right now, which is the high gas fees. Anyways, Dexkit is building a unique white label solution for advanced DeFi applications, or dApps. And their platform consists of a multi-chain aggregator, DEX that features gas-free limit order placement, customizable NFT marketplace, and advanced DeFi dashboard. That's pretty cool because the current DeFi platforms we have are great, but they're not super advanced for more experienced traders and investors. Anyways, their white label integration will allow kit holders to deploy branded versions of NFT marketplace, DEX, and aggregator directly into existing websites. For transparency, I am a holder of Kit. I invested my own money into this project and I do have a small moon bag. Also, a little bit more about their whitelist integration. It will allow kit holders to deploy branded versions of the NFT marketplace, DEX, and the aggregator directly into existing websites. And right now, over 2 million websites use WordPress, and this functionality will make integrating powerful crypto applications easy for everyone. I actually use WordPress now for my CryptoWendy.com website. I moved over from Squarespace for SEO purposes. Anyways, users can customize the look and feel of their applications as well as set accepted currencies and fee structures for their apps. This is pretty huge, you guys, if you think about it. Really huge. And the dashboard central hub where the affiliates can monitor their portfolios and profitability. You can also connect with the team about partnerships and white label integrations on Twitter and Telegram, and you can get information on the platform from dexkit.com. As always, join the Telegram community, ask questions, and if this is something that makes sense for you, go ahead and do more research. Okay, this next story is kind of cringy. So everybody on crypto Twitter is so excited that Mark Zuckerberg has a goat named Bitcoin. Like, it's just absolutely ridiculous at this point. The fact that people in crypto are really celebrating Mark Zuckerberg after he's like created Facebook, and Facebook like steals basically your personal information and sells it to third parties. Yes, it is a free platform to use, but crypto Twitter pretty much has shitted on Mark Zuckerberg for a very long time. The fact that they're like tweeting and talking about this like it's something to be proud about is kind of weird and bizarre to me. But this is great marketing for Bitcoin. I'm happy. I'm excited about it. I still don't trust Mark Zuckerberg, and I don't necessarily think that he has good intentions with anything that is crypto related, seeing what he has done with Facebook and his lack of empathy for those and our privacy. He's selling it to everybody, all of our personal things. So I'm not with it. I don't jive with it. But I will say that it is pretty funny that he is interested in cryptocurrency, considering his previous history with the Winklevoss twins, which run Gemini. So he's probably buying Bitcoin from them, from their platform, and paying them in those fees. So shout out to Gemini. Really quick update with Bitcoin. Market Cypher did print a red dot yesterday, and we saw a pretty gnarly drop all the way down to about 53.5. My biggest concern here was about $55,000, $56,000. And I said, if we cannot hold $56,000, $55,000, it's going to get ugly. Well, it looks like we actually held support at 55. So what I need to happen today, I need us to get above this trend line. That is immensely important at about $56,000 and continue on our stairway up to about $65,000. Once $65,000 happens, you can expect 70 to 75,000. But right now I'm just looking for support to hold here at about $55,000, $56,000. I have my spot Bitcoin positions. I am not in a leverage position right now at all. This next story is from CoinGape. Wall Street giants express concern over Bitcoin losing market grip with rising altcoin dominance. So basically, Wall Street giants, people in Wall Street traditional finance, are concerned over what is happening with altcoins, because a lot of them are just invested in some of the larger cap stuff like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all of that type of stuff. We've seen this happen with Grayscale, but we're seeing a lot of very, very, very strong pumps from altcoins, especially meme coins, which we are going to talk about in a minute. But according to this article, JP Morgan strategists call it a warning sign of Bitcoin's falling dominance over altcoins. But history suggests Bitcoin has bounced back strongly every time. Anytime dominance falls to about 40%. And they also stated that it is very clear that Ethereum has been continuously gaining dominance over Bitcoin in terms of percentages. Return. So basically what this means, people are taking profit on their Bitcoin because Bitcoin has done incredibly well. It's people that have been in Bitcoin a lot longer, and they're moving their money over to Ethereum or Binance, and then also or BNB, and moving it into altcoins, which is totally fine. This is actually what happens. Overall, Bitcoin is here to stay. I'm not worried about Bitcoin. I don't have any issues with it. But it's a lot slower, and a lot of people aren't able to make as much money as they can with altcoins. So you're going to see a lot more people playing altcoins, and that's totally fine. If you are investing in altcoins, take profit like a savage. Get that bread, that head, and leave. We always remove our initial investment, and we always take profit to mitigate risk. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum's price, and then I've got all the crypto gems that I bought, and I hope I don't get wrecked on them. This is our Ethereum chart. This is the chart we've been using since Sunday. Anyways, Ethereum saw a pretty gnarly drop yesterday. We got all the way down to about $3,600. That was okay. And now we're all the way back up to over $4,000, about $4,048, which is fine. Me personally, we just printed a red dot on Market Cypher on the daily. But again, I want us to really kind of range in this area and kind of stay above $3,800, $3,900. Yesterday's drop was a little bit scary. The whole entire market was red. And I think it's getting scary for a lot of people just because we're starting to feel a little bit toppish here. And this is why we advocate for profit taking so heavily on all of my socials. As far as Ethereum goes, I don't think this cycle is anywhere near done. We probably will hit $10,000 Ethereum at minimum. I know other YouTubers are calling for more, but we keep it conservative on the show. Either way, you guys, I really, again, what I need to see happen with Ethereum is just sustaining over about $3,800, $3,900. Also, when I was on BitBoy Crypto's channel yesterday, y'all make sure you are subscribed to his channel. You probably are. But there is a new tab that he kind of introduced me to, which was the market cap of Ethereum dominance. So basically, we talk about Bitcoin dominance a lot, but Ethereum dominance is going to show how much of the crypto cap that Ethereum is taking in as far as market cap goes. So we're seeing right now that Ethereum is getting ready to flip about 20% of the whole entire crypto market. Right now, it is still looking promising. Like, we will go ahead and do this, and if we do continue to go up, you can expect 22% to about 24%. The larger that this goes, this is basically telling me that there's gonna be money flowing into Ethereum so people can go ahead and buy DeFi stuff. I hope they actually create a tab for BNB because I'm curious to see what's going on with all of that Binance Smart Chain projects. Okay, this is what I want to talk to you guys about. I aped into Shiba last night on crypto.com. The reason why, I know it pumped already. I hate buying tops. We can also see here that this was pretty much a top. I got in at this area here. It could be a very, very bad investment. It could be really, really stupid. But I do want to let you guys know I only invested just a very, 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 very small amount, just because to see kind of what happens, like what everybody else is doing. Stuff like this, when these types of projects in crypto, they're run purely on hype. Crypto TikTok is shilling it. Crypto Twitter is starting to get on the bandwagon. You're going to find a lot more valuable information on crypto TikTok, even though a lot of it's like complete garbage shilling, but it's going to give you an idea of what to do in the market and what you maybe want to pay attention to. The reason why I decided to invest in this is because I don't want to miss the boat on it. As far as fundamentals go, I really have no idea what it does. And I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm more of a technical analysis. I don't really invest on stuff because they have strong fundamentals. There's a couple projects I do like Matic and Polkadot, Ferrum, YFDI, that type of stuff. But projects like this that are run on pure FOMO, on pure hype, they tend to do well. As far as where do I think this can go in the future, I don't know. I just tossed a little bit of money in it to see what it would do. And I want to show you some of the other cryptos that I have invested in or were gifted to me as well. So on the Sunday night live stream, I put a BSC address and people were able to tip me, and I got tipped in quite a few different things. Some of the stuff that I got tipped in, which I will show you right here, I got tipped in AS, which was awesome because it went up like 300% last night and the thing is still ripping. Again, this was tipped to me. Always invest at your own risk and understand this stuff can go to zero at any time. I was also gifted PubeCoin as well. And then also too, I was gifted a little bit of GDOGE as well. And if I want to invest more, I probably will in the future. But just want to let you guys know, those are projects that I am looking at. Some of them are gifted to me, some of them that I went ahead and aped into myself. But just want to let you all know what I'm looking at, what I'm paying attention to. And again, this stuff is immensely risky. You can lose it all. A lot of this stuff can rug. A lot of the stuff doesn't have strong fundamentals. A lot of the meme coins do. Some of them do have great fundamentals. Some of them are absolutely amazing. But at the same time, you guys, please be very, very safe with this stuff. Do not throw in like 20K and expect you to become a millionaire overnight. It doesn't work that way. Either way, I am going to be playing some of this risky stuff. You guys know me that I like to play risky stuff. I have no issue aping in and degenning out. I have no issue using leverage. But just want to let you know that just because I'm doing something, you don't do it too, just to follow the leader. I'm going to be taking profit a lot differently, and I'm not going to be updating you on every single play that I'm doing when it comes to these types of risky things. I will let you know if I've invested or they're gifted to me or whatnot. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I will catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.